A special thank you to each of our subscribers who make this channel possible. Here's today's story. In a historic ruling, Brazil's Supreme Court has ordered former President Jair Bolsonaro to stand trial on serious charges of plotting a coup following his controversial defeat in the 2022 presidential election. This landmark case marks the first time since Brazil's transition to democracy in 1985 that a former leader is accused of attempting to seize power by force. The implications of this trial could be monumental, not just for Bolsonaro, but for Brazil's political landscape as a whole. The Supreme Court's decision, reached on March 26, 2025, was unanimous among the 5 judges on the panel, who found sufficient evidence to proceed with the trial. Bolsonaro, who governed Brazil from 2019 until his electoral loss to leftist Luiz Inácio Lula da Silva, is accused of leading a criminal organization aimed at maintaining his grip on power regardless of the election outcome. This came after he lost to Lula by a very narrow margin, sparking widespread controversy and unrest among his supporters. The allegations against Bolsonaro are grave. Prosecutors allege that he and his associates plotted to issue a decree calling for new elections, effectively undermining the democratic process. Furthermore, investigators have revealed chilling plans by the conspirators to assassinate key political figures, including Lula, his vice president Geraldo Alckmin, and Supreme Court Justice Alexandre de Moraes, who has been a vocal critic of Bolsonaro and is one of the judges presiding over this case. Bolsonaro, who did not attend the court session, vehemently denied the accusations, labeling them as unfounded and suggesting that there is a personal vendetta against him. His comments reflect a consistent pattern of defiance and resistance that has characterized his political career, especially in the face of legal challenges. If convicted, Bolsonaro could face a staggering prison sentence of over 40 years, effectively ending any hopes he may have of a political comeback akin to that of former U.S. President Donald Trump. This trial is not just a legal battle. It represents a critical juncture in Brazil's ongoing struggle to solidify its democratic institutions. The country has faced significant challenges in recent years, with Bolsonaro's presidency marked by divisive politics, environmental controversies, and a handling of the COVID-19 pandemic that drew widespread criticism. His administration's far-right stance has polarized the nation, and this trial could further exacerbate existing tensions. The case against Bolsonaro also raises questions about the future of Brazil's political system. As the nation grapples with its past of military dictatorship, the trial serves as a litmus test for the resilience of its democracy. Observers are keenly watching how this situation unfolds, as it could set a precedent for how Brazil handles political leaders accused of undermining democratic values. In the wake of the Supreme Court's ruling, reactions from the political spectrum have been swift. Supporters of Bolsonaro have expressed outrage, framing the trial as a politically motivated attack on a leader who they believe was unjustly removed from power. Conversely, opponents view this as a necessary step towards accountability and a reaffirmation of Brazil's commitment to democratic principles. As the trial progresses, it will likely dominate headlines and public discourse in Brazil. The stakes are high not only for Bolsonaro but for the entire nation as it seeks to navigate the complexities of its political landscape. With the trial expected to draw significant media attention, the implications of its outcome could resonate far beyond Brazil's borders, influencing perceptions of democracy and governance in the region. In conclusion, the trial of Jair Bolsonaro represents a pivotal moment in Brazilian history. It encapsulates the struggles of a nation striving to uphold democratic values in the face of authoritarian tendencies. As the legal proceedings unfold, all eyes will be on Brazil, where the past and future of democracy hang in the balance. That's all for this story. We upload videos every day covering many different subjects, so hit that subscribe button to stay informed. Thanks for watching.